What's up, dear hiking and backpacking friends? I'm Hendrik and I'm back with a short video about a pump sack that can inflate any air mattress. For example, the Therm-A-Rest Neo-Air Uberlight. In my Neo-Air Uberlight review video, which is linked in the description, I was talking about how amazed I am about a pump sack for a C2 Summit mattress. I got a lot of comments and suggestions in that video about pump sacks for the Neo-Air, and now I have a pump sack that inflates any air mattress and I'm super much in love with it. A short disclosure before I continue: I got this pump sack and the mattress from Vaude for free, and the designer of Vaude is a friend of mine. However, I did not get paid to do this video. I believe that this is a really great product and I want to share my experiences of it with you. So let's get back to the pump sack. You might be thinking, Hendrik, a pump sack, are you for real? And let me tell you, yes. I think that this is a really great product, and the best thing about it is that it works with a variety of brands and it not just works with Vaude mats. And that itself is really amazing, I think, because nowadays companies tend to do things that are proprietary, so that something only works with their products. And I think it is really great that Vaude didn't go that road and that they made this really amazing pump sack work with a variety of other brands. So from Therm-A-Rest to C2 Summit to Vaude and others, this pump sack works with almost any air mattress on the market, and that is really great. So thumbs up for that from me. So this pump sack is 75 gram light and it is made of a waterproof and water repellent polyamide and polyurethane material. It is recyclable, Blue Sign certified, as pretty much everything from Vaude nowadays, and in your backpack it can work double duty because it is so big, as a stuff sack or as a pack liner. For example, you can carry your quilt or your camp clothes in this while you're backpacking and hiking. And then when you arrive at camp, you just take the quilt and the clothes out, put it on top of your tent for airing out, and then you go up and inflate your mattress. And how easy that goes, I show you now. So to inflate your mattress, take the mattress, roll it out, and then simply make sure the valve is open, and then you just connect the valve to the mattress. With this Therm-A-Rest valve, you need to push it nicely and snugly on top of the valve so that it doesn't move away when you're starting to inflate the mattress. And you should make sure that the top of the bag is showing up, so it's not like crisscross and difficult to do. So with the Therm-A-Rest Neo-Air Uberlight that I have over here, it's an easy thing. You just open the pump sack, puff in there so that air goes in, and you close it, and then you just push the air inside of the mattress. If you're familiar with pack rafting, it's pretty much the same as inflating a pack raft with a pump sack. And 3 times blown into the pump sack and inflated into the Neo-Air, and the mattress is full. So while this pump sack adds 75 grams to my ultralight backpack, I am really excited how fast and easy it is to inflate any mattress with it when I'm arriving at camp. It's easy to use, it's fast and convenient, and nowadays it always comes along when I go backpacking. If you now also would like to have a Vaude pump sack to inflate any of your mattresses, please use one of the affiliate links in the description. There's no extra costs for you, and I get a little bit of a commission from your purchase. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button if you don't follow me yet, and remember, it's always worth to go outside.